Hello all, welcome to EdrawMax. In this video, we will learn about a UML diagram. UML stands for Unified Modeling Language. It's a type of language used to illustrate the inner workings of a system, which include actors, actions, roles, and classes. Let's learn how to make a UML diagram using EdrawMax. Navigate to File, click on New, and select Software Development from the categories. Now choose UML Modeling from the subcategories. Click on the plus icon to open a new drawing sheet. Drag and drop the required shapes on the drawing pane. Continue to build the diagram by dragging and dropping symbols from the library as shown, and add the text as per the diagram requirements. Right-click and choose Select All Text to change the font size. Select Fit to Drawing under the Page Layout tab. Uncheck Grid Lines under the View tab and click on the From Beginning icon to preview the diagram in a single frame. Now let's see a few examples of UML diagrams that are available in EdrawMax. This is a UML collaboration diagram. Here's a hotel reservation system. Now here's a UML activity diagram and a UML telebanking diagram. You can download EdrawMax for free and get all of these templates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more diagramming videos.